More contractors are offering blown-in wall insulation. This may have a lot to do with the challenges of getting a good install due to all the obstructions in our walls. This makes a grade 1 installation difficult. Blown-in fiberglass or wall spray cellulose are perfect when offering a blown-in option. In this first video of IDI's wall spray video series, we're going to discuss the equipment needed. Wall spray cellulose is blown into the cavities and water is added into the process to keep it in place. When the cavities are filled, any material extending past the studs is scrubbed off and reclaimed back into the system. This can be done using an insulation vacuum or by utilizing buckets and installers manually carrying the material back to the blowing machine. Before getting any further into the application, let's look at the basic equipment needed to get started. A blowing machine with sufficient air pressure. This means any gas-powered machine would work quite well. If using an electric blow machine, a dual blower motor setup or positive displacement blower would work. An insulated water tank to avoid freezing during colder temperatures or on-site water supply. If using a water tank, it's good to have 1 gallon of water per bag of cellulose to be sprayed in a day. A water pump with a pressure regulator, a minimum of 250 psi at 3 gallons per minute. Water pressure line and 2-jet spray nozzle with spray tips. A minimum of 150 foot of blow hose with a 10-foot whip hose. This is a lightweight hose attached to the nozzle to make spraying easier. Wall scrubber with extension cord or cordless wall scrubber. Leaf blower and brooms for cleaning. Plastic barrels for recycled material or vacuum and recycle machine. Wall spray cellulose requires quality equipment and regular maintenance to ensure your crews can efficiently install the cellulose to the manufacturer's standards. Contact your local IDI to get a list of the best equipment available for fiberglass or any other insulation-related needs you have. IDI also offers on-site training as needed for spray foam, fiberglass, cellulose wall spray applications, and any other insulation-related products. Simply reach out to your local rep or anyone at IDI.